Today we're starting a new topic, pure substances and mixtures. Think of it like this. If you've got a bag full of just apples, that's like a pure substance.
But if you've got apples, bananas, grapes, and oranges all mixed together, that's a mixture.
Now, in science, pure means something very specific, only one type of particle.
Not like in the supermarket, where pure juice might still be a mix of all kinds of things.
By the end of this topic, you'll know the difference and why it matters in chemistry. Let's get started. So, we've seen particle diagrams in the previous video.
They show us what substances look like at the particle level, basically a zoomed-in view of matter.
Now, when you're looking at a particle diagram, you're expected to figure out, is it a pure substance or a mixture? To answer that, look at the entire box and ask yourself, are all the particles inside the box the same?
In this example, we can see that this one looks like that one. In fact, they're all the same.
So if every particle in the box is the same, then it's a pure substance. Right, so let's look at an example where it's not pure. This time the particles inside the box aren't all the same. You've got a white one over here and a black one over there. They're clearly different.
Look at how far apart the black and white particles are from each other.
They're not close together, so they're clearly not chemically joined.
That tells us this is a mixture, not a compound. Let's look at one more tricky example. And trust us, lots of pupils get this one wrong, so pay close attention. Take a close look at this particle diagram.
To figure out if it's a pure substance or a mixture, we need to ask the same question.
Are all of the particles in the box the same? And the answer is, yes, they are, although lots of people don't think this because they see different colors. All the particles are in fact the same. Therefore, we are looking at a pure substance again. Let's define these two keywords, pure substance and mixture. A pure substance is made of just one element or one compound and nothing else. So if you had pure water, it would literally only contain H2O particles. No dirt, no minerals, nothing else. A mixture, on the other hand, is made of two or more different elements and/or compounds that are not chemically joined together.
Here are the key takeaways from this part of the course.
If you want to explore more, check out the related videos on screen now. And don't forget, like and subscribe so you never miss out on more science made simple.
Thanks for watching.